What happened to my car?
I saw it happen. A car came around the corner and hit the back of your car.
Didn't the driver stop?
No, it was hit and run. The driver just took off. He was driving like a bat out of hell. It looks like he caused some damage.
Some damage? My car is totaled. I hope whoever it was gets his license revoked. Better yet, I hope the judge throws the book at him and he does jail time. But how are the police going to catch someone who leaves the scene of the crime like this? That guy must be a real jerk.
Take it easy. Maybe he just panicked. It's probably his first offense. Maybe he's young and just learning how to drive.
Maybe. Hey, why are you defending the driver?
Well,
you know the person driving the car, don't you? You're not an innocent bystander. You're trying to talk me out of calling the police.
Well, I have this nephew who sometimes borrows my car, and he drives too fast. He did hit your car, but it's a simple fender bender.
Fender bender. My car is totaled.
I'm sure it's not as bad as it looks. If you don't call the police, I'll make sure it's repaired. It'll be as good as new.
Are you trying to pull a fast one on me?
No, not at all. I'll get your car fixed, right after I ring my nephew's William.
Hello, my name is Oliver. Hello Oliver, I'm Logan. Nice to meet you, Logan. What do you do for work, Oliver? I am an English teacher and I help students learn English quickly, easily and without overwhelm. How about you, Logan? What do you do? I am a business consultant. I help businesses increase their profits by creating efficient systems and processes. Wow. That sounds interesting. Where do you teach, Oliver? I teach students online, and my students are all over the world. How long have you been doing that for? I have been teaching for 3 years now. How about you? Where are you based? I am from the United States. Currently I am living in Saigon, Vietnam. My clients are also based all over the world. Most of them are in the United States. Do you have a business card? I'd like to contact you to help me with my business. Sure, let's have a conversation and see if we can work together. Give me your card also. If any of my clients are looking to improve their English, I will send them your contact information. I appreciate it very much, Logan. It was great to meet you. Likewise, I will send you an email so we can arrange a time to talk more. Thank you. Take care.